Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create and sync theatre list for grandXchange. Syncing theatre list enables seamless communication between GoodX clients and non-clients through grandXchange. When you create and sync a theatre list, grandXchange sends an email with the link to the list of operation team members' email addresses, ensuring that everyone is informed and prepared for the surgery. In this video, we will start on the Theatre Manager screen. Click on the Add Theatre List button. The Theatre List Workflow event screen will open. For more information on how to create and add a theatre list, please refer to the How to Create a Theatre List and Theatre Manager user manuals linked in this video's description. Please ensure that all necessary information is completed, including the email addresses of anyone who needs to receive the theatre list. To sync the theatre list to grandXchange, click on the Complete button. An email will be sent to the desired recipients who have been added to the theatre list. Click on the link to access the theatre list. Thereafter, the View Theatre List Details screen will open.